One last little thing. "6:30 a.m. February 5th, 2026. We are feeling good. We got everything out of the office in North Carolina. And stayed up all night. Too old for that. Good thing about staying up all night is you can pull into the back of your favorite hotel that has biscuits and gravy in the morning every morning. Park amongst the peasants who pay for their rooms. Let's check something here while we were driving. Still going. 2 hours and 40 minutes left. Let's go in here and get some free breakfast. You gotta know which doors you can use. Called courtesy. It's gonna be a pretty day. Choosin Texas, I can tell. He doesn't take a crystal ball to see. Cowboy always finds a way to leave.
Drinking Jack all by myself. He's Choosin Texas, I can tell.
Well, that was freaking crazy. That was nuts.
Well, I guess he
saved me hours of messing around with a bottle jack by showing up with a floor jack, helping me out for free. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Saver, lifesaver. Now I don't know if I should go relax or go do what I started out to do. Ooh, I don't even know where I am. Let's see. To Sumter, South Carolina, or to Augusta. It's an hour and a half. I'm going to Sumter. Let's see. I finally got a shower. Felt good. The desk isn't gonna work, so makeshift standing desk. While we were driving, we got an email from a sponsor with an updated logo from Race Gas, Rocky Mountain ATV Race Gas. Updated logo they wanted on the website. So it's actually a pretty straightforward little thing to show people without using any kind of AI. Good little example. Let me go ahead and cut on my hotspot. This is just a $200, maybe less, HP laptop from Walmart. iPhone SE 2020, like an iPhone 8, and a filming on a $35 Galaxy A15. Love my tech. State-of-the-art standing desk. VS Code. And while we're sitting here, 2-year milestone. 2 years today. Crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything open on my computer and get all the windows sized and get everything navigated where it needs to go. And then I'm gonna cut on the screen record, take it from there. And I'm gonna use this every once in a while just to cut to, because I can't run the webcam and the screen record at the same time. We read the email. Screen recording. So I already know this is the file that we want. I'll download it here. Hopefully I'm not showing anything I don't want to show. I've never done this before, so as far as screen record and share programming stuff, so forgive me. So we got the new file that we need. This is where they want to show it in the scroller. It's all the sponsors for the year, for this race series. And you click it, it leads to a page that's a list. So that's a separate place that'll have to show, which is just a perfect example in programming. And then these lists have links externally to the sponsors pages individually. So we need to add a link, a logo to a list in a file, and we'll need to edit this. And then additionally, there's a live page. There it is. So I need to put it here as well. So we're just going to use VS Code here. Make sure we pull down the current. I just smash buttons for branch names, and I don't take it too seriously, man. It's this one in particular is just a website. I'm not worried about showing the juice here. It's just a website, and it's just a Vite, React, TypeScript web app. Posted on Vercel, pushed through GitHub, etc., etc. Which I already added the image. I didn't edit the spawn scroll, but it took so long. I went ahead and added it from downloads. The logo, it's giant. I resized it. Sponsors. Spawn scroll is an image we need to add this to. It's Microsoft Paint, baby. No AI. I know this is perfect. True. Delete and paste. Edge that. Untracked. Change made. Spawn scroll made. We don't have to do any changes to the code for that because it's just calling that same variable name from folders. Let's go ahead and show you. So from root, source, constants. None of these images are in there. These are things from your badge, things like that. So, sponsor links. You see the list here. I have them named list 1, list 16. List 16 is our newest one. This doesn't need to be numbered. On the sponsor page, we of course need to add another item. Let's see how fast. That's telling there to be a 16th item here in this list, telling it to show which image to show, and telling it where to go when it's clicked. Microsoft Paint for the win. Get status. Let's check her out, dude. We got 119. Yep. Unscroll. and then a new file. So git add, git commit, LOL or me, git push. That's pushing to GitHub, and GitHub does some stuff, and then it's pushing to Vercel, and Vercel does some stuff, and then like 45 seconds later, it will appear here. At least since it's React, it shows up pretty quickly. Let's go here, refresh. There it is. Around race gas. External link works. There it is. Race gas. Probably not there yet. Oh, it's already there. That's how fast React is with Vercel as like the whole system. It's pretty sweet, actually.